let's just go straight into it. So I already opened this up for my cousin that came here randomly, and she gave me a Pokemon bag evolving Sky. And here's the gold card, everybody. Here's the gold card. And then we have a Soa. Can you read it upside down? Oh. Yeah, Soa is a C. A Gordano. Badili. We have a board mite. Oh, and thank you for the time for taking your day off and spending a little time with me. I a bit appreciate it. Let's move on. I was studying a little tired, and Dad said I was studying a little drowsy. Because drowsy Pokemon drowsy? No? Drowsy? Yeah, okay, let's drowsy. Dribble and drowsy. Side my dog who is laughing at us. I got you laughing at us. Her size, my dog. Energy. Thirteen gloves and a stormy mountain and a shelter. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe. Check out my Instagram and message me if you want to see more videos like this one. Okay, my odds. So we are not signing up. And don't forget Beads. Love. Beads. Beads. Love and thank you. Bye.